Ollie is filming the cars up. There was just enough fuel to get us to the petrol station. I've got my hair thing, my helmet, and because I'm on my daily car hunt, I'm thinking that we should probably do some sort of drive-through. And because Starbucks is just there, the drive-through is open, why not kick off our drive in the BAC Mono with a Starbucks drive-through? I don't think it's got a cup holder, but I don't care. Let's go.
Fully left yet. And then it's 2. Yeah, right in here.
Can you hear me?
Yeah?
Can I order what the last order was, please?
Yeah, sure.
Just exactly the same, complete duplicate. That's it, thank you. Success!
Risky business, mate.
I don't know what I've got. How many cup holders has this car got?
0. That's my credit card.
What was it? Thank you. I have to carry that round. Stay here. This is the weirdest McDonald's roulette I've ever done, and it's Starbucks roulette. What's your favourite drink from here?
Hopefully what's about to come, a medium vanilla latte with an extra shot, but that would be really weird.
Thank you very much. We got a mocha and Americano.
Not bad.
That was surprisingly easy. Testing done. It was short but sweet. Awesome to get out onto what was essentially the Liverpool John Lennon Airport runway and have the fire crew blocking it off so that Ollie could drive up and down in the BAC Mono.
5 Kilo Connect to taxiway Alpha.
Thanks for that, Howard. The vehicle testing is going to begin now.